Hi guys, welcome to Handy and Easy. Today we're in the kitchen and we're going to learn how to connect via Bluetooth with a Vitamix blender. Not all Vitamix blenders have Bluetooth capability, so I recommend that you do some research for your specific model. The Bluetooth capability is very useful for setting up automatic programs like smoothie making, self-cleaning, or even very specific programs like baby food or spice grinding. In this case, we have here the Ascent A3300 Series. This applies also for the A3500 Series. As of the time I recorded this video, Vitamix does not include a Bluetooth setup guide in their owner's manual. It seemed also strange to me that their app is not very straightforward to use, as we will see in this video. So let's get started. As a first step, turn your blender on. Then we'll go to the App Store and search for Vitamix. You'll notice that the first search result is an app called Vitamix Perfect Blend. We'll tap Open, and then it will ask us if we want to connect using Bluetooth. We'll say yes. And then for some strange reason it starts searching for a scale. I would think that it should start searching for a blender, not for a scale, as Vitamix is known for building very good blenders, not scales. But nevertheless, we're going to say I don't have a scale. We'll say continue to app, then click next, done. And then you'll notice that there's a small icon here on the upper right corner, and we'll tap it. And then you'll see that it is detecting our blender, and we'll tap it once again, and it's connected. You'll notice that the small Bluetooth icon appeared in the upper right corner of the screen, and that means that you are connected with your phone. Now go back to the main screen and tap on this small blender icon in the bottom section, and we will be able to see here that our phone has successfully connected with the blender. It will tell us the name of the blender and even the jar type that we're using, as this model has a self-detect technology. It will give us 18 programs to choose from that range from a custom timer until an acai bowl program. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to use that, but I guess it's nice to have. And as an example, we're going to tap here dressings, and you can see here that it gives you the estimated time to complete, that is 1 minute, and it even tells us what to do. For example, here it says that to add oil when the speed decreases. So in order to run the program, I will go to the blender, and you will see that the screen changed, and it says that it's connected to our phone, and just press the start button in order for the program to start. Once you press the start button, you will be able to see the progress here, and you will be able to see how the speed increases or decreases. I think that with this app you will be able to squeeze out all that functionality from your Vitamix. With this, we conclude our video on how to connect to a Vitamix using Bluetooth. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Handy and Easy, and as always, have an excellent day.